So let us start first. Uh, uh, let's look the what is the meaning of scanner class and why use. As you show the example, okay. So first thing is scanner is a class that is provided by Java itself, okay. And any class have some specific purpose. Whenever you define your own class, you define the behavior, what the class have and what the class do. Similarly, scanner class provided by the Java itself. So Java have defined what is the meaning, why, what they do. So any class, what they do means they have defined some set of method, and those methods, what are the definition given in the Java library itself, the same behave. So for example, uh, here you are my screen, okay, my screen visual.
Yes, sir.
So let us scanner you say. So whenever you are writing this way, that means this is the one object reference are created, right? Till now, you have not object created. You have just created one variable that can hold the object of scanner class. But till now, there is no any object class created. So let us look the definition. What this scanner class the meaning? Okay. So this class scanner class is a final class. This is defined inside the java.util package. So you have to import java.util.scanner class. Okay, because this is not the default package. And say what the meaning of this class. This is a well defined signature. Okay, simple text scanner which can parse in primitive types and string using the regular expression. So this will say that this class can parse or read one primitive type of the integer, float, double, and strings. Strings also, whatever the write inside a double quote known as a string. So this class, a simple text scanner, which can parse primitive types and strings with regular expression. So scanner breaks it input into the token using the delimiter pattern. Means whatever the uh, your input pass, scanner class just broken into the pieces. Let us we have a type some huge text, right? So they have split each word, you can say each word here known as a token. But these words are split it on the basis of space. You have something one space. Let's get this space is space text. So space is the delimiter. That means here say tokens inputs into the token using the delimiter pattern. By default, match with the white space. So if whenever you are writing any statement, okay, any statement, look at this is a statement. So space is the by default delimiter. From space, the class is split. First word, second word, third word, fourth word. This word known as a here in the scanner class known as a token. This is the token 1, token 2, token 3. Result, the resulting tokens may be converted into the value and the different type using the next method. So how will get this value? Get this value using the next method. Till now clear, scanner class is just take input from the user and read each word word, okay, word in the different variable. How can they read from word? By default they are saying I'm splitting your word using the space. So question is that next question, how we can create the object of scanner class. So you can say just write scanner new keyword and write here system dot in. System dot in indicate that whenever you run this code, our code will come here and wait for the user type something from your keyboard. Until you are not typing anything, your code not goes the next line. Your code is stop is this line. System.in means now here systems are thinking you are passing me. Until you are not typing anything from your keyboard, your code is not going to execute next line. So here they have a different method. Here say कि next methods means कि you are getting the one value, one value, one value, one value. So you can say you can use some next method. Like here example है next int, next double, next float, yeah, next line. Lots of method they have provided. Okay. Even this is the next Khus Balwant problem. Scanner class is not only can take input from the keyboard, this can take input from your file. You give me the any file here, file name, and this will read the complete file lines. So let us look in the detail. Till now it's clear what is the scanner class. Scanner class is a class which offer you take input from user. Okay, user means by default user can provide input using his keyboard. So let us here scanner equal to new scanner system dot in. Let us here write I'm quotes I'm s out. Just say started. Okay, started. Okay, and here say click our statement statement one. In this way you have written some code. Statement one. Here say let's see you have written statement two. Here is statement say your let's see come done. Or so here you have written some line, line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, line 5. So whenever you want to run this code, our expectation is that first this line done, then this line done, and then whenever this line created, and after that you run it this, and this should be closed. This is our expectation. Let's run it, and then notice what is happening. Okay, right? This is started state 1 and 2 and 3 happen. But here I want something read from input, right? But this doesn't any happen because we are not using any next method to get input. So let us here I want key here type something, type the your name, yeah, type something, and that you want to print here. Here whatever you are getting output, like here I mention started, so I'm getting output started. Here I mention statement one, so I'm getting the statement one. Here I'm getting statement 2, I'm getting statement 2, and done. So in this program whatever I previously written, only output come. But I want ki I can, while our program running, I can give some input, and those output I want to hear. So here you can say scanner have a some. This is till this line. Now you have created one scanner reference variable and you assign the object, and in this object say this object is created with the help of system.in. So one question about the Khushpreet, ki can I pass something different here, like in this can I create scanner class instead of let's one, here I can pass something different. Here I want to pass anything, okay? Any message. What happened? So here you are writing scanner class happy. There is no any problem. Constructor create new scanner with the produce value. So whatever your value given, this value just take here and you can do. There is no any problem. So what you can do from this? What is the difference between this and what is the difference between this? So here you are saying to scanner, ki please take input only what I am pass here. So whatever the message you have given here, only those messages can scanner can get. Okay, might be in your compiler this code not work because these features are added in Java 17. Might be you have tried and compiler gives some error to you, right? Have you tried this?
Yes, sir. It give a error.
Yes. So version wise version Java do some enhancement. So before 17, someone tried to create a scanner object with any method that will give a error. In my system, basically, I am using the Java 17, so it will happy. If you are using Java 11 or Java 8, this feature you cannot get.
When we compile it, then there was no error. But when we try to run,
Hmm.
then there was the runtime errors.
Yes. So here say scanner dot uh, get list and just give a value and just try to print out, and you notice that it will get it will get those value which are just first one, because by default these statements are broken using the space word. If you're not passing any space, it will read all the message. But when whenever you are passing like space, means they say ki this is the token 1, token 2. What next method do? Next method, what next method do? Find and return the next complete token from the scanner. Token, I say ki whenever you are giving input, any input can be large, okay? But code will break this input in a token on the basis of white space, on the back in a white space. So this is token 1, this is token 2, this is token 3, this is token 5. So by default whenever next, you are getting only first token, not the complete message. So here I am writing this message. Whenever I write this message, this will split into two token, token 1, token 2. So whenever you write in next, you are getting the first value only. You want to get, no, I want to print this message and this message both. So you have to do, you have to again say uh, scanner one dot next, and you are getting the next value. So here say ki first next, this is the first value, second next, this is the message. So scanner class, just till now, just you assume the latest version of Java you can do. Here, whatever the message you want to pass, just give it. This allow. But as of you now, don't on your system, might be it's not work, right? So till now, just leave it. But as for your availability, yes, Java 17 version onward, you can do. But till now, just don't try. Okay. Just main focus here ki what you are needed, right? Yes, I am commented out. Till now, any doubts and question first? Till now, any doubts? So let us start
No.
in this way. Generally, this is the way you are using. Okay? Nah, so just I am just commented out all the code. So let us now here. I am writing this scanner. I am say scanner dot. Here you can use nest method. So here, what the nest they are expecting? You want to next what? Next input integer. So lots of next method here. Next overloaded method, next pattern, next string pattern, next int you can get, or you can lots of has next, or you can lots of method like next, next byte, next float, next. So first thing know ki how you know all this uh, documentation available. One thing, if you are using editor, you know using the dot dot I can find the next, right? But if you are not using editor, then how found the what the scanner method offer a method? So you can just search on a Google. Go to the Google and search Java class name. Just search API. Whatever the class you want, just learn it. And here say you are getting different version documentation, right? If you are using Java 8, what is the Java 8 documentation? Or the latest version? So let's go to the Java. Just click here and whatever the Java 8 support, and you find this is a scanner class. And what scanner do? This is a given the example. Whatever the our editor show here, like whenever over the mouse, right? The whatever the this is the Java doc. Here our editor help us to read the Java doc. Similarly, if you are not using any editor, just go to the internet and search class, whatever the class you want, and figure out. And this is the all the some example also given, and some another example also given here, and finally lots of descriptions you find here. And apart from this, go to the down, and these are the constructor. How many constructors you can create using the file, using the to file, using the input stream, which we are using system.in. We are using this. If you notice this constructor in the class, you are using the one constructor that will take input stream object. A system.in is the one implementation, right? So here list of constructor one, two. Here you can say path. This is the source we are currently I'm using. Even scanner.string you are allow. So Java 8 also allow, right? This is the API about Java 8. So here, this is a complete documentation what constructor this class support, and similarly next what method there. This is the complete method. This is the complete method. Find nest, find line, has nest. This is one method. Has nest. If you check the scanner have some input, if return true, that means you have another token. I don't you don't know how many next I know. You can check has nest some token or not. Similarly, use method list API available here. Okay, like you have used nest int, nest double, or nest line. So here one class is nest line. This is the advanced scanner pass the current line and return the input that was skipped. So huge list of method available in the scanner class. So just for your FYI, whatever I am here reading, you are studying in the editor. You can, if you are not using editor, just go to the Google Doc and search scanner API doc, and you can find each and every detail whatever our editor show you. Let us happen. What happen if you run it? Let us hear you running. What will print this? Just here comment out. If you run this code, what it will print? It started.
What we will enter.
Notice that this is started this line print, and after
Yeah.
that here the systems are
So,
expecting you are passing some input. Until you are not pass here, our this line will not execute print. This line will not print. So here your code is waiting. You are typing something from your keyboard. Until you are not type, your code is stuck here. It This nest doesn't know what I'm going to print here, what the value they are going to print. If you are typing something, that something come under string and this will print. So this next method is defined this way कि whenever you are invoke, they are stuck. This line is stuck. I don't know like, what next would be assigned here. They are expecting you are given input system.in means कि from your laptop, your system, you give some input. Then this code will go to the next line until they are waiting. You may just enter it or pass any character. So let us hear. I am going to my terminal and I'm say hello, hello, I am okay. Until you are not put the enter button, this line is not going to this line. Whatever here I am pass, this is got assigned to the let's I pass it now enter. So notice whenever I pass enter, the next line will execute it. Next line is executed and then done. So what is the meaning of? So what is the meaning? You notice I type hello, I am okay, but they are writing only hello. Why? Because whatever the input you pass to here, here I pass hello, I am okay. But as per the scanner class definition, they are broken though your input in the token with the help of a space. So whenever you say hello and now space, this is broke it. This is broke it. This is broke it. So you are getting only first element, not the second, not the third, not the fourth. So you are getting output only hello and only the next. So what is it? I want at least whole line, not only the first token. Is it clear? Whatever you are typing here, our scanner class just broke your complete input in the different token. How they are broken on the basis of space. By default, by default scanner class use the delimiter to split your input on the basis of white space. This is the mention here on white space. So if you pass here, we pass input hello space I space m is okay. So this is the white space. They are breaking token 1, token 2, token 3, token 4. And next is only return first token. You can again try to say let's key I try uh, again scanner dash next. Okay, this will give if you uh, try this way. Again you run this code. Let's leave it. Again I'm going to run first this line print. Then your code is waiting. Let's key I have written here. Let's key scanner scanner. Oh sorry, scanner is object created. Object created. And now you again run it. So notice this line will print first. Okay, then this line will print, and here is the next. System is expecting you are passing something. Here they are waiting. So let us I pass like a again hello. I am I okay? Just saying. Am
Sir, what if we pass the double value anywhere?
listen wait. So here you say कि by default nest are expecting string. Okay, by default nest method are expecting you are passing input as a string. Here say कि scanner dot nest. So here you know the definition. Nest method means कि I want take input from a string. So here I am typing a string. Okay, so let's I until you are not put enter button, your code is stuck in this line. Let's I put the enter button, enter. Then you notice they are saying ne- uh, nest your hello, nest also hello, because this next is only reading your first token always. Let's you want to no I want to complete line, so you have to not use this next method, you have to use some different method. Scanner class have provide huge list of method. Oh sorry, here, oh sorry, you have already nest, and here should be next one. Okay, I miss. You have two next and next. So we have invoked two time next. I'm just typing hello am I okay, and you notice the first next say uh, now whenever this line run you type your hello I am okay. Now your scanner class is split in the basis of space. First next say the first next only first next token take, hello token will take. Again say next, again say next, it will take again hello. But I want how many time I'm going, so next I have to type hello am I okay. I don't know ki how many number of text user have enter. So best way not write code next multiple line. Why not I am writing the same code loop and check until they have some value. So here the best way, instead of writing this code, it would be good. It would be good. You can yeah you have a function check has nest. So lots of instead of method, best way you want to read whole line. So instead simple say is dot nest uh, line. Next line print the whole line. Yes, you commented. Now whenever scanner object created, now check in next line and then check the differences. So here say hello I am okay, and you notice this will print hello I am okay. So each method in a scanner class defines some specific method. Now Kushpreet question say can I type double, right no, Kushpreet? So let's run
Yes,
it
sir.
and type double, then what happens? Just run it again and you type 45.5. It will work or not? What do you think?
No, sir.
Why not? Let's run it. It should work because this is considered as a one string. Let's run it and just I enter it. It will work
Oh, okay.
because next line say कि whatever you type in real word, here you can say a string s equal to double quote 45.7. You can do.
So we can do this, but we can't use 45.7 for any calculations, I think so.
No, now you can do here. You are getting here you are a variable. In this variable, you are getting 47. Whatever here
Yes.
I just print it. Here I am printing. Whatever you can do, but notice this will the type of your string, not the type of double.
So firstly, we have to use the integer dot parse int, and
Ah,
that.
right, right. You have to want to let's you want to check. No, you know, ki I have typed double here. So here you want to create double, so you can say, I think yes. Here is your double class, double dot parse, double value, and just parse your next string, and now you can get the double value. And now you can do whatever the calculation you want. Just now run it.
Yes.
Now you run it here. Let's key I am pass 45.4, and here next line your string. This is your string. This is your
Yes.
string, and now you can just convert it to the double here and get it. Let
Now,
us
if we want to do any calculations, we can do with v.
yes. So now you have an option. So instead of writing a two line of code, why not? I'm say scanner. Please give me the double, right? Please give me the
Yes.
double. This is the best option.
Yes.
So instead of writing two line of code, um, let's comment out here. Say scanner dot next double. This will directly give you the double value. Okay. And now if you run it, here say 45.7, and you are getting the double. This is directly you are getting the double value. So scanner class provide huge set of method for a specific purpose. And you think what happened here? Pass I am something not double. I am pass hello. Hello is the not double value. So your code will be break. Let's run again. And instead of typing here, you can say double. I am typing hello. Then what happened? Hello is not your kind of a double value. So surely it will throw exception. Your code will break. If you okay, you have to put something. Oh, sorry. Again, run it. And here type something hello. And if you run it, your code is waiting here. You are expecting double. You are passing a string, and let's you just type enter empty. I am getting exception. Input mismatch. Here they are expecting you are assigning me double, but you are assigning the string. So whenever you are using a specific method, you have to be care. Take care. I'm not getting any wrong input. Your code will break. Your code will break at this line. Here you are expecting user can type double value, but you are not typing double. You are typing the hello. Hello is not a double. So this line will not print, and you are getting some exception. So good option. You can write some message here. Right? Here say that's out. Here you write some message. Write instead of write this type double value. Right? Is the the type double value. Someone on a screen know you want to type double value, and then you get double. When you run it, be clear message say your code started scanner here say ki type double value. So here you have to type double value 24.3. So you mention. Till now, is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So good option ki whatever the value you are expecting, just type in the here message before getting a nest. So here you can say uh, type double value. So I am type double value. Okay, and then enter, you are getting the nest value. So good to option. Always before using the nest, write one message ki what value you want. Right here, type double value. Yeah, type width, length, whatever things. Right.
Yes, sir.
So in this way, you can get next, get int, get double, double four, whatever value you want. So in last example, you have written code like this way. Uh, I think like you have written three times, right? This is the one time. In this way, you written a code like one variable, and again you written this code. Again you written this code. Right, in this way, like you are expecting here, I think length with height, right?
Yes, sir.
Length with height. So here you just let's comment out all the things. Here you mention like as out uh, type uh, uh, length with height, right? So instead of this way, this is the one way you can good. But and here you have do some calculation, right? I think something you have do some calculation. Let's I just print the value. So this is the one practice you can do. Someone confused. Ki first you have to write. Let's run it. Let us run it. So here code is okay, but type length with height. We type one. Someone say don't know ki I type one is again type the next input. Yeah, again type next input. In this is the only one number. But you say no. If you run it, it if you run it, it will take only here. They are reading one value. Are again expecting the next, but here not code goes beyond. So this is some confusion. Again, you say, I think we have to type something more. Let's again type again enter. Oh, still not happening anything because you have written nest, three nest. Again you type something. Okay, you need to type more. You need to type more. Again enter. Then you get output. So sometimes your code kind of some guess. I so your message should be clear. You want to user type one input, two input, three input. You have written three line of code. You have to wait for three enter. After three enter, you are getting the visual. So this is some confusion. Instead of for each line, you say here, please type instead of just say please type length double length and double. Okay, so each one okay here you want to expecting double. Okay? Here say now type in type here. So clear message gives so that whenever a program run, program is not so confused. Now you run it, you notice that you are getting clear message what need to type. Yes, a type length in double. So I am typing like 45.6. Again, type length width in double. I am say 66.8. Type height in double. Let's key 43.3. Okay, and now you are enter. So the message will play very important role. What you are want. So let's key here in the case of length. Let's key I length want to integer, not double. So you can say where is the let's key height I want to many anything. Let's key I want to int, not the double int. So here take as a int. So you have to specify here this will expecting height is int and you run. So your message should be clear ki what users can type. So length in double, you type double. Type width in double. Okay, I am type double. Okay. Again, type height in int. Okay, I have tried to int only. In this way, your clear message come what you are typing or what you are expecting. If you are not writing these messages, might we have to guess. You have to write all in one line or all in the different lines. Let's you have not written this. This is the only message. What is your same? This does not play different role. But whenever you are run here, you don't know ki what now I am to do here. Maybe you want to write different line. This space this space this and in run. So you don't know ki I have to write with a space or I have to write with a enter. First I type this enter, then again type this enter, then again type this enter, and output come. So this is some confusion the way while running the program. So here you are written next means ki you are expecting three token. Maybe you can give input in the three different line or given three input in the space. Right? If you run it, here we have options. You can give input space, then space, then space. What happened? Let's ki I pass triple space and then something and then something. What happened? Something will unknown thing happen. User don't know ki what your type, what the value, what the. If you run it, you are getting something. Here you notice I am getting something. So this is some confusion. Instead, please be clear what you are specifying. Please use the system message so that you can get exact message what you want. So huge set of methods this scanner class offer. Next, double, line, int, float, each and everything.
Yes. And so now if we have to type and input any string over after entering height, then how to enter it? So we have problem in that.
Here you are saying after this length you want to get one input that is the string. What are you trying to say? Again, repeat the question.
Yes, we have to type any enter any string input. Like
Uh,
we can use the uh, string a component is equal to scanner dot next string. So
okay.
we have problem in that.
Yes, here let's see these three line. Okay, till now there is no problem. Okay,
No problem.
so here say scanner dot. You want to get complete line, right?
Yes.
So you say just write best option.
Like
Read
if we have to write in line 43 before these
line
print
40 here.
lines.
What is here?
Yes. Yes.
Here just S out message. What you want? You want get some extra input, right?
No, sir. Here we have to like input any string.
Hmm. So here's a type type any let's assume
Yes.
any input. any input string, and just say scanner dot scanner dot next line. Okay, and you'll get in a variable. So whatever your input you are taking, you will get here. Same as usual, there is no any kind of problem here. Here, whatever once input done, you specify ki I want another string. This is the message. Just type it so that ki on the running program you want to nest one string, right? So whenever you run it, it will be clear ki what you want to. You want to okay type length. I have type length here. I have type length. Type width. I have type width. Type high integer. I am type integer. Again you say here you are not getting the next line. You are come here, right?
Yes, sir. This was the problem.
Yes. This is the problem. Okay. You are trying to say ki here I am going want to uh, next int. After that I want to get next line, right? Yeah, next input. I can get next int, but I'm not able to. Here I am getting the output, but after that it will print blank, right? In notice, if you run it, here say your double. I'm trying double. So this line again say okay. Next line say your kind of again double, again run it. It's empty integer, I type integer, and just press enter, and output come. So here you will notice this will print, but all the line this will print blank, right? This
Yes, sir.
here not waiting for your input. So here you have to say right scanner dot nest. Yeah, just check has any uh, before just check. E- Okay, let's read the definition. What this say? This method, what next int say? Scan the next token of the input int. Okay, this this method invocation of this method from next int behave the exactly same as the invocation of the okay, where this is the default. There is not nothing mentioned. Is this specify key what would be the next. They have a written code like this, clear, right? So if you want to check, just S out and say scanner dot has some data. Just check here. Scanner dot just check some value here or not. Just you run it. So if you write here after int, they are expecting to again type. Okay. So you have to something right scanner to okay. Whenever this type they are typing something, then can true yes input. So best option you problem is that here we are stunking in the buffering. They are expecting here ki all the tokens are completed. Next, and I think you have to just write one more next. Right, Kushwit?
Yes, sir.
Because they are expecting our all tokens we have written. Scanner dot next, and that time it will works. Now they are expecting you are typing something, and then but still you are getting this. S- So this line is not work, na? Right? So just
So
let
here where we write scanner dot next, I think there will be scanner dot next line.
yes.
Then it will work.
Anything you can do. If you are not writing anything, still it's work. But here you want to give message. You are right. Again, repeat. You say whatever. If you're not writing, your this will work, right? There
Yes,
is
this will it will pick the height. Sir, what we were taught that we type a height, then
uh,
we press enter, and that enter it goes afterward. Like to complete that enter, we write sc dot next line because when we press that enter, which is the where we have to wait for the next line, we need that also. So that enter comes at the place of next line, and we go next after that. So to finish that enter,
yes,
we
yes.
need to press that sc dot next line. We need to write that.
Okay. Yes, lots of different behavior this class have over. Basically, we have to try. This is working on the concept of your whatever you are putting, they are working on the case concept of your token. Okay, so whatever the value you pass here, whatever the value you pass here, you are just they are converting the token 1, token 2, token 3, token 4, right? And they are getting, so how many tokens they are, whatever the you value pass, and how this compiler know ki whatever you're typing is done on the basis of until you are not putting the enter button, right? You can write any message, any message, any message. Until you are not press enter, it will expecting you are giving more input, more input. And once you put enter, they are scanning how many number of tokens you have put in. So in this case, one token, one token, one token. So this is the sometimes so confusion. So be exactly specify line by line message and get one by one value and just hold it. Lots of confusion in this. Generally, this scanner class is generally not so used in the real life application, because line application always read input from the UI somewhere. But surely, as per your purpose, whatever you want, just specify exact message and exact data what you want, right? So uh, if where your screen, yeah. So any other today for the just I explain, you can also try get the scanner from file. Okay, as Balwan mentioned next topic, right? But you
Yes.
let's you try it, and if you not find, just I say key in the Java doc, you can find each and every information available here in scanner class. What is a scanner class? Y- Today we discuss about this, and similarly you have another options. You can pass here any file, and whatever the file inside, whatever input you written, you can read the input from here as well as
And sir, what is the long over here?
long, just like a long data types. L-
Okay.
just look like here. uh, just 1 minute, just
So
comment
one
out.
day we will take time and we will discuss about like how the computer stores memory. We read it stores like 001, and what is byte, what is bit. Like there is a little bit,
Yes,
uh,
the
just
programmer,
about 15.
yes, programmer does not actually in the case of Java, any programming does not more work on a binary part. Each and everything is just taken by your compiler itself. Surely our computer is electronic device, so they only know about the voltage, high, low. Even there is no any concept of 0, 1. 0, 1, A, B, C, D. These are the human readable words. Human readable words electronic system cannot understood. Electronic systems are your left of work on the basis of your electric, some voltage. So this is more deep about the electronics, how your computer device works. What do you mean by, let's say I'm typing ABC, A or B? Really, computer know what is the A? So might be you have a learns in the book about each alpha beta character have a some ASCII number. Like small a have a 97 number and capital A have a 65. So 65 number can be converted into the binary number 101010, and 1010 can be placed in the computer. So there are
No,
different
like yes,
topics.
there
Mhm.
are bytes, like
Yes,
32 bytes or something like that.
yes. So next long look like this is the same as a we discussed as a double. Similarly, this is the Balwant as kind of not long. Long is just integer data types. Okay, this will along like you have a no like this is the int data type, and similarly your float data type. So similarly one long data types. Okay, so have you just gone through your data types chapter? Might be they have given all the data types which Java support. So you know in Java we have a one number. Number data type, basically number data types have a primitive int, float, double. Okay, the one is the data type int. Okay, one data type int. One is the floating number, that is the known as a float, and float decimal number. You can say one is the whole number like 1, 2, 3. So int have four categories of whole number. You can maybe byte, maybe int, maybe short, maybe long. Okay, so these are four category related to the int where you pass. For floating point number, there were two, float and double. This is the float and this is the double. So for integer handling integer value, there were different data types. One is the byte, one is the short, one is the int, one is the long. So long is the data type which hold the highest value. You can say byte have only 8 bit value can store. Int a short have a 16 int. So these are different data types. For storing int, we have a smallest data type byte, and let's see byte b. Similarly, you have a sort dot s. Similarly, we have a int. Just go to the book and you find out all the data types, right? Long. So, L. So these are the different data type for holding the integer value. This is the 8 byte, 16 byte, 32 byte, 64 byte. The only size ki how many value want to store depend upon the capacity, memory storage location. They are different data types. Similarly, for floating number, we have a one float, and double, double. So these for the floating number, decimal number you can say. Here you can assign any one value. Here you can assign any 1, 2 value. Here you can assign any 3, 4 value. Here you can assign any 4, 5 value. Okay, but for storing only integer value, we have a four data types. For decimal, we have a like 5.6. You have to specify float here, and here you can specify any number. So by default, these are the four. But what is the default? Default is the integer. Any number considered by default integer. Here in the decimal number by default is the Java support is the double, but they have a different data types. For similarly Boolean, we have a Boolean data types. Boolean we have already discussed. Okay, Boolean hold true or false value. Okay, by default false, you can assign true as well as. So these are the different data types. You have to, right? You can again revisit your syllabus, and then this is the long. That means this file contain some long value. So they are checking, is there any long value? Just get long.
And sir,
Similarly,
why
yeah,
we have written their new file? What is this new file written?
yes, this is the syntax where you want to
Okay,
read file. Okay,
okay,
if you write only double quote name, this is a string, not a file, na? But this is the name of your file. The somewhere
okay.
in your computer, this is one file. Okay, this
So
file
that
name is
file
the
must be in that folder in which
yes,
we have our Java class.
yes. Currently, will do yes. This is the this is the number name your file name. Okay, this is your file name, and whatever you written here, this should be a long, so that they are expecting has next any long, yes, get long. So here you are passing some long number, and now you can get. Just you try, else I also. Okay.
Yes, sir. And sir, tomorrow we will also discuss like if the scanner class can read the characters, like the next characters, like
Character.
in
So
this fish word we can read the first word fish, then I, then s, then h.
yes, character by character. Okay.
Yes.
Surely you will try lots of things. Look, whatever you can do, there is no any magic. Whatever this class facility offer you, only those kind thing you can do. Before reading any class, there is no any magic. Whatever this scanner class provide you, you can do. Whatever this not provide, you cannot do. So before using scanner class, just read what kind of things you can do, what kind of method they offer. If they offer some method, surely you can get. If they does not offer any method, you cannot do it. Right? So lots of documentation available. Just go to the Google and search Java your scanner class and just API. Yeah, just
Okay.
Java Talk API. You can say this is a simple search on an internet. You find lots of details. Okay, right? And you can click any one Java 8. Let's see Java. You want to 8 or 17, which Java doc you want. You can find out different like Java 16, 17, the latest version, whatever you have. Okay, so these are the kind of documentation. Sometimes, what is the Java doc, a Java API? These are the API which help developer. कि Why you use this class? What are the methods they offer? So in this documentation part, you find all the constructor, all the method, what method do given the logical definition. Can you figure out any methods that can get you any character value or not? If this class offer, you can do. If this class does not offer, you cannot do. Right? So please go through this documentation if you want to more detail. Else for your purpose, only getting the input for like a double int character, you can do. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So this is the best way to read anything about the existing Java classes. Java, yeah, programming language, yeah, any programming language is not any magic. They have predefined behavior. What this method do, what this function do, what this can do. You cannot achieve more than that. Let
Okay.
us example here. Initially say कि we are using scanner class. So scanner class provided the different constructor. So different constructor you can create constructor in this way, or you can create constructor in the different way, right? In this way. So similarly, let us assume instead of scanner class, let's you write your own class. Let's key class a my scanner. You can write scanner. So if whatever written inside this code, if you have provided some constructor, if you provided one constructor, this will take your int value. Okay, int value. So it will take only int value. You have provided some method void method. It will take does not take any input. So in this class, you can do only two things. You can create a nice construct scanner object with only one input. You cannot create anyway because my class does not offer anything else. So you can only create the object like here, pass some number. You can create constructor. What kind of method you can do? You say dot I can invoke only me function because we have defined only one method. You cannot do anything other. So similarly, if you are using scanner class, what scanner class offer the method for you? Only those things you can do. Apart from other, you cannot do. So if you written own class, you well know I have written this constructor, this method, so you are using. Similarly, if you are using some system library class like scanner, because you have not written this class, you are just using. So what scanner class do? You first need the documentation, and then you know okay this class is doing these the things. After that, you can use all the methods they offer. This is the way to learn Java. Okay, no anyone say कि you have just learn all the syntax and semantic. Whenever you need, you can just go to Java Doc API and let's try to read what this next long method do, and you can read the definition, and accordingly you can play the role. So let's do it, and surely whatever you want, just try it, and still some doubt and confusion we can discuss. Is
Yes,
it
sir.
okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's tomorrow try with your file. You are able to get info from file or not. You can
Yes.
and still need discussion. We can discuss on this topic again. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So can the close the call?
Yes. Thank you,
Thank,
sir.
thank you.
Thank you.